What's up, YouTube? It's the Bass God. Hey, just to let y'all know, I got everything hooked up. Don't worry about that voltmeter. Too many voltmeters going on anyway. But I got everything hooked up. My voltage is 15.7, 15.8. That's my charging voltage for the power amplifiers. About 15.8. That's about where I'm at. 15.6 up here, so I'm about 0.2 of a volt off. So you see my voltage, this would be 15.8 instead of 15.6. I'd like to give a big shout out to JS alternators for hooking me up with this. Beautiful ass fucking alternators. Beautiful alternators. Didn't have a problem hooking them up. Definitely a good guy to deal with. So I encourage you all. I mean, great prices. And they're basically unbeatable. His prices are unbeatable. Been dealing with them for about 5 years, alright? But I got these in. I'm about to do some testing to see where the voltage drop at. And test some other things out too. For the next video I do, I'll be doing a video on the actual system plan. But again, big shout out to JS. Big shout out to Fatboy regulators, ICA. Like I said, we're gonna really see what this truck do now. Sitting at 15.8. I don't know what's going on with the meter, but I'm like 15.7. All right, y'all got any questions? All right, about this video, hit me up.